Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Acer Predator Triton 300 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, there's two reasons you might want to do this. One, if you're just having troubleshooting issues where the computer keeps freezing, is lagging, it won't connect, anything like that, you can fix a lot of these issues with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now, this will restore everything to the way it was when it came out of the box. Everything will be wiped off of it. So you'll have to set it up again. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this computer, or if you're buying a used one, or if for whatever reason you just want to wipe everything and just be able to use this computer as though it were brand new, we can go ahead and do that. We're going to start by going to the Care Center, the Acer Care Center, going down to the Recovery Management tab, and then selecting Get Started on the Reset This PC option. From there, we'll go to the Reset PC and click on the Get Started option. And then from there, we'll have an option to keep your files or to remove everything. For this example, we're going to want to wipe everything off of it. So we're going to click on Remove Everything. From there, we're actually going to have a couple options. So we want to go into the Change Settings option and then click Next. And that will open this up, and we can just sort of confirm that we want to erase all data and all data from off all of the drives, and then confirm that. And once we click confirm that, we'll get kind of like a little bit of a warning saying everything's going to be removed, and it's going to take a while because it has to delete everything. We'll click reset. At that point, it will go through quite a long reset process, and then it will restart as it were a new computer.